2019 Nissan Titan 5.6 liter V8. It's got stock converter right there and right there. Another converter there. Another secondary right there. Then it's true dualed from the factory. And what we did was install two Borla S-Type mufflers. Part number 400843. Borla S-Type crate mufflers. There will be a link in the description for them. Then custom dual tailpipes out the back. Right there. Nice and clearing into 5-inch black exhaust tips. Right there. Came out absolutely beautiful and clean. These Borlas always sound right. You're gonna love them. Stay tuned, guys. And remember to always like, comment, and subscribe. 2019 Nissan Titan 5.6 liter V8. True duals with Borla S-Type. Oh yeah. Is that what you guys were looking for? Yeah. Thumbs up, guys. Oh, nice. That's it? Good job, guys. Oh, yeah. Your sound decibels? Ooh, 111. Oh, that's nice. Back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust right here in Nashville, Tennessee. If you have any questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. Also, make sure to follow us on Instagram and TikTok. Also have Snapchat. One more. What you guys heard on the inside? Nissan Titan 5.6 liter. That sounds so good, man. And here's his son with a Cummins diesel. Straight pipe, 5-inch. Oh yeah. You know what they say, like father like son, right? Oh, that's awesome, man. Only at exhaust addicts.